Night skincare and self-care play a vital role in maintaining healthy skin, mental balance, and overall well-being, as nighttime is when the body naturally enters its repair and recovery mode. After a long day of exposure to sunlight, pollution, dust, makeup, and stress, the skin becomes tired and needs gentle care to restore its natural glow. A proper night routine begins with cleansing, which is the most important step to remove impurities, excess oil, and makeup that can clog pores and cause breakouts. Using a mild cleanser suited to one's skin type helps maintain the skin's natural moisture barrier while ensuring it is clean and refreshed. Cleansing at night also allows the skin to breathe freely and absorb nourishing products more effectively. Following cleansing, toning helps remove any remaining residue and balances the skin's pH level, which is essential for preventing dryness, irritation, and sensitivity. An alcohol-free toner is ideal, as it soothes the skin and prepares it for the next steps of skincare. Moisturizing is another crucial part of night skincare because the skin tends to lose moisture during sleep. Applying a good moisturizer or night cream provides deep hydration, supports skin repair, and improves elasticity. Night creams are usually richer in texture and contain ingredients such as hyaluronic acid, peptides, or natural oils that help regenerate skin cells and reduce signs of aging. For those with oily or acne-prone skin, lightweight gel-based moisturizers work well without clogging pores. The delicate skin around the eyes also requires special care at night, as it is more prone to dark circles, fine lines, and puffiness caused by fatigue and stress. Gently applying an eye cream using the fingertips improves blood circulation and helps the eyes look refreshed by morning. In addition to skincare, night self-care includes taking time to relax the mind and body. Mental stress has a direct impact on skin health, often leading to acne, dullness, and premature aging. Engaging in calming activities such as meditation, deep breathing, listening to soft music, or reading a book helps release stress and promotes emotional balance. Reducing screen time before bed is especially important, as blue light from mobile phones and laptops interferes with sleep patterns and affects the skin's natural healing process. A consistent sleep schedule is one of the most powerful forms of self-care, as quality sleep allows the body to repair damaged skin cells, produce collagen, and restore energy levels. Adults should aim for 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep to support both physical and mental health. Light stretching or gentle yoga before bedtime can further enhance relaxation by releasing muscle tension and improving blood circulation. However, intense workouts should be avoided at night, as they may increase alertness and make it harder to fall asleep. Hydration is another important element of night self-care, as drinking enough water throughout the day keeps the skin plump and healthy. While it is good to stay hydrated, excessive water intake right before bed should be avoided to prevent sleep disturbances. Creating a peaceful sleep environment also contributes to effective night self-care. Keeping the bedroom clean, quiet, and cool helps improve sleep quality, while using clean pillowcases reduces the risk of skin irritation and breakouts. Practicing gratitude or mindfulness before sleep can create a positive mindset and reduce anxiety, leading to deeper and more restful sleep. In conclusion, night skincare and self-care are not about using many products but about maintaining a simple, consistent routine that supports both skin health and inner peace. By cleansing, moisturizing, relaxing, and prioritizing quality sleep, individuals can wake up feeling refreshed, confident, and ready to face a new day with healthy, glowing skin.